Alright guys, I'm just gonna do this quick unboxing of these new iPhone 15 Pro Maxes that we got in the Apple Store. We got the white and then we got the natural titanium. This one's mine. So let me open this up really quick. There it is. This is the best part right here. So yeah, it's basically the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the natural titanium. Alright guys, appreciate you guys for watching, and then from that part I'm gonna continue into like with the casing. I just went and spent an extra $200 on the OtterBox cases because they're military grade, so yeah. Until I see you in the next part. Stop it. Yeah, I'm waiting for my phone to get like with the OtterBox as well as the screen protector on it. So yeah, stay tuned. The bitch didn't want to be recorded, so I had to keep you posted. We got the OtterBox with the screen protector, lifetime replacement. And the drop tested OtterBox, the Defender Pro. Alright guys, here it is in all of its glory. Here's the case for it. Did the OtterBox, just to keep it protected. This is what I prefer, drop, you know what I mean? So yeah, it looks nice, kind of bulky a little bit, but I'd rather have this. Having those two little bastards at the house, you gotta keep everything safe and protected, especially when you have kids. See you guys in the next one. Peace.